Hello there and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get back your Prolific account if it has been put on hold or you've just not been able to access it for a while, either for one reason or the other. So if you used to have a Prolific account and you just were not able to access it anymore, or your account was put on hold, whether it's a year ago or 2 years ago, just very recently, this is what you can do about it. A lot of people don't know about this. That's why I am making a video. So firstly, you come to your dashboard. Obviously, you're not going to be getting any studies, but you will then come to these three lines over here, just here. You come here, click on it, and go to accounts. Now, once you click on account, you will see this notification that says, "Oh, sorry, your account has been placed on hold. Following a review of your account, we are no longer able to give you access to Prolific." And you can check out the terms or whatever here, right? That's what happens when your account has been placed on hold. So you can come here and click more information and it would open into another page. Now, this page is the Participant Help Center, and here they would explain why your account might have been put on hold. Whatever answers you're looking for to your questions, they're going to detail it all here. But this is what you need to do. You scroll down here. You see what happens once my account has been put on hold. Step one is that you see the banner that we just saw on the other page. So that is this banner, right? But the second thing that you need to do is that you need to get in contact with them, either through the appeals form or the contact form. I will not advise that you go through the chatbot because it's going to redirect you back to the appeals form or the contact form, right? So it's going to redirect you back to the appeals form or the contact form. So I would advise that you just, click on the appeal form or the contact form. I went through the appeals form. So once you do that, it will lead you to a Google form page where they would ask you questions. Now, when you're filling this form, take your time, right? Let your answers be very detailed, be very truthful as much as possible. Let them know what the issue was, what happened when you lost the account, what you might have done. If it's possible that maybe you were in the wrong country, you were in another country and you opened your Prolific account and then it got banned, or whatever reason, right? Whatever reason, maybe there was a violation of these participant terms and conditions. Just detail it out to them and be as open and honest as possible, right? So it's a few pages. Once you're done reading, like I said, take your time to read through it. Once you're done reading, you go next, you fill in the pages, and then you submit. But make sure that you are very certain of all the answers. So here's the thing, like every appeal, it might be accepted, like so it might be successful, but it might also not be successful, right? But the minute that it is unsuccessful, it's final, you cannot appeal again. That's why I said take your time when you're doing this. Take your time when you are appealing for this. Take your time, give the right answers, give detailed answers. You can even take your time to go through the participant terms and conditions, review your case yourself, right? And then before you answer those questions, they will ask you for your Prolific email address. They'll ask you for your Prolific ID, your full name, just the way it's on your Prolific address, your email address, your country of residence. They're also going to ask you on the next few pages for your, let's just type in some random things here, right? Let's just type in some random stuff just so we can move to the next page, because I don't want to deal with and then let's paste, and then let's go next. And then you would also see, so they'll ask you for the reason for your appeal, explain why you think it might have been put on hold. You can also, provide some supporting information. Okay, you moved to a country, you used a VPN for an activity, you had a rejection from a client on Prolific, something like that, right? So you put it in here. Take your time, respond very well. The supporting information is optional, but you probably want to, put in all of the supporting information as much as possible. Just be detailed, explain yourself, explain as much as possible. Anything you want them to know, put it right there, and then they'll be able to help you, especially if you have a just reason. But even if you're not certain why, just use this appeals form. It's an update that was not there about a year ago, so if you're not aware, you probably want to go about it like this. And before you submit, they'll tell you to check all the information again, so you can go back and you see that my information is still there, right? You confirm that all the information you provided is accurate and truthful, and then you go to next, and they'll tell you, thank you for submitting your appeal. A member of our team will review this and contact you within 30 days, right? So 30 days is about a month. That's 2 to 4 weeks, right? And then you get feedback. Like I said, if it's unsuccessful, then it's unsuccessful. There's nothing that you can do about it. But then if it's successful, you'll then be able to, start to access your account and probably start to get more prolific, whatever. I'm going to make a more detailed video about this. So if you have not subscribed to this account, please make sure that you subscribe now. I make videos on how to, open accounts with certain websites, how to make money, how to author your own book, how to do anything and everything. So if you have questions, please put them in the comment section. If you have testimonials on how you were able to retrieve your prolific account back, please also share them, or whatever the result was, whether it was successful or unsuccessful, please share them in the comment section, and I'm sure that everybody who gets to watch this video will sincerely appreciate it. Like I said, like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And to finish up this video, honestly, once you submit the appeal, like I said, you're going to get to, so there's a plane passing overhead and there's a little bit of noise in my background, but yes, once you do all of this, you find out whether your appeal has been successful or unsuccessful. You know how prolific can be. Yeah, so if you've made some good money from your prolific, you probably want to give this another try, appeal if you've never appealed before. And fingers crossed that your appeal is successful. Please come back to this video to let us know how it went and if you were able to retrieve your prolific account. Like I said, I'm going to be making more videos on how to go about this over time. I'm going to make it like a longer video, but this is just a short video, less than 10 minutes, so you can easily take the steps and get your account back. Thank you for watching my video up to this point. I really hope that you are able to appeal, or that this information helps you help somebody out there. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel to learn more about making money, writing, authoring your own books, and whatever sweet gems I find on the internet, basically. All right, bye guys, see you in my next video.